Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your problem on TikTok. To know how to fix or to solve your problem on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will enter to the window of TikTok. When you find this list of app and for you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about update on TikTok here. You will search about TikTok before, then you can click update to update your application. If it's not working, you can uninstall your app and you can return to install app again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.